If you're a small business owner, there's a high chance you're making mistakes that are keeping your business from growing. And the worst part? You might not even realize it. But don't worry. I'm here to break it all down in the simplest way possible. And by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to take your business from small to thriving. So let's get into it. Before I begin, I love to put this disclaimer. Whatever you learn in this video would be wasted if not applied. Result is not in knowledge. It is in the application. Let's go. Phase 1. The mindset problem. Let's start with a mindset shift. Many business owners proudly say, "I'm a small business owner," but this causes them to think small now. I get it. You might not be running a multi-million-dollar company yet, but that doesn't mean you should box yourself into small thinking. Instead of just focusing on survival, covering expenses, paying yourself a little, maybe taking a vacation once in a while, why not aim for growth, scalability, and financial freedom? I saw this online a while back. Your business is not meant to pay the bills only. It is meant to make you rich. Phase 2. Money mistakes that keep you broke. Let's talk about money. Because, let's be honest, if your business isn't making money, it's just a very expensive hobby. Money is the lifeblood of a business, small or not. What small business owners do wrong? 1. Mixing business and personal finances. Too many small business owners think the money their business makes belongs to them. No, your business is separate from you. You can't go around spending your business money. 2. No financial tracking. If you don't know where your money is coming from or where it's going, how can you grow? It's like trying to lose weight without ever checking the scale. 3. Ignoring small expenses. A little here, a little there. And suddenly you're wondering where all your profits went. This happens most times to insignificant expenses, such as transport, communication, etc. How then do you fix your finances? 1. Pay yourself a salary. Calculate your hourly rate multiplied by time put into your business. This salary could either be a percentage of profit or a static amount. You can customize it to what is suited for your business. 2. Open separate business account and stick to it. The only reason you are tempted to spend your business money is because you do all your transactions in one place. 3. Use an app or even a notebook to track every single expense. You can choose to go digital or do things the old way. But the important thing is to track every expense that comes your way. Phase 3. Why your sales and marketing feels hard. You can have the best product or service, but if nobody knows about it, your business won't grow. And most business owners make two huge mistakes. 1. Focusing only on new customers. Acquiring a new customer costs 5x more than keeping an existing one. So instead of chasing only new customers, ask yourself, how can I get my existing customers to buy more? Example are upsells, cross-sells, loyalty programs, special offers. If you need me to make a video on this, just type upsell in the comments section. 2. Advertising in the wrong place. Not all platforms are created equal. If you sell to Gen Z, TikTok and Instagram might be your goldmine. If your audience is professionals, LinkedIn or email marketing may work better. Know your audience. Pick the right platform. Phase 4. The customer service secret that builds loyalty. Customer is king. But let's be real. Not every customer is right. However, ignoring complaints can cost you hundreds of future customers. So what do most small business owners do wrong? 1. Ignoring customer complaints. Small business owners tend to be dismissive of complaints rather than show compassion and look into them. Don't forget, one disgruntled customer is hundreds lost. 2. Being too reactive instead of proactive. Do not wait for customers to reach out to you before you reach out to them. Rise up to the occasion. Call them. Send a text. Do not wait until you want to sell them a product or service. The question left is, how do I fix my customer service? First, practice active listening. Show customers you hear them. Secondly, treat every customer like they are new. Like I say, even if they've bought from you before, treat them like VIPs every time. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe, because I drop business tips like this every week. Also, drop a comment below. What's the biggest challenge in your business right now?